Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel where we give you the strategies and tools you need to make smarter financial decisions, maximize your money, and achieve true financial freedom. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button because every week we break down powerful ways to save, invest, and use financial systems to your advantage. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting areas of personal finance, travel rewards. Specifically, we're answering the question, how can you earn travel points faster without overspending or falling into debt? Travel rewards have become incredibly popular because they allow people to take amazing trips, book luxury hotels, and enjoy perks like airport lounge access, all without breaking the bank. But here's the truth, while the potential value of travel rewards is huge, most people earn points slowly, redeem them poorly, or never get close to the full benefits these programs offer. By the end of this video, you will know how travel points work and why they can be worth more than cash back. The step-by-step system to earn travel points faster. The best strategies for leveraging bonus categories, welcome offers, and loyalty programs. How to maximize every dollar you spend without overspending just to chase points. Advanced tips used by points enthusiasts to travel the world at a fraction of the cost. Let's get started and turn your everyday spending into incredible travel opportunities. What are travel points and why are they so valuable? Travel points are rewards you earn through credit card purchases or loyalty programs with airlines and hotels. These points can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, upgrades, and other travel experiences. The key advantage of travel points over cash back is value leverage. For example, if you redeem 50,000 points for cash at 1 cent per point, you get $500. But if you use those same points to book a flight in business class that costs $1,200, your points are worth 2.4 cents each, more than double the value. That's why people who understand the system can book trips worth thousands of dollars for just a few $100s in taxes and fees. Step by step, how to earn travel points faster. Step 1. Choose the right travel rewards credit card. Not all credit cards are created equal. To earn travel points quickly, you need a card that offers a generous sign-up bonus. Bonus points in categories where you spend the most, like dining, groceries, or travel. Flexible redemption options and transfer partners for maximum value. Popular examples: Chase Sapphire Preferred/Reserve, Chase Ultimate Rewards Program, American Express Gold or Platinum, Membership Rewards Program, Capital One Venture Rewards, City Premier, Thank You Rewards. Each of these programs allows you to earn transferable points, which can be redeemed through portals or transferred to airline and hotel partners. Step 2. Maximize sign-up bonuses. Sign-up bonuses are the fastest way to earn a large number of points in a short period. Many travel cards offer bonuses like 60,000 points when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. Strategy: time your application when you know you have big expenses coming up, like home repairs or insurance payments. Never overspend just to hit a bonus, always stick to planned expenses. Step 3. Use bonus categories to your advantage. Most travel cards offer higher points for certain categories. For example, Amex Gold, 4x points on dining and groceries. Chase Sapphire, 3x points on dining and travel. Plan your spending so you use the right card for the right category. If you have multiple cards, assign each one to a specific category and stick to that system. Step 4. Take advantage of online shopping portals and dining programs. Many banks and airlines have shopping portals where you can earn extra points for purchases at major retailers. Similarly, dining programs let you earn bonus miles when you eat at participating restaurants. For example, log into your airline shopping portal before buying from stores like Macy's, Apple, or Nike. Sign up for a dining rewards program and link your credit card to earn extra miles every time you eat out. Step 5. Book travel through your card's portal. Cards like Chase Sapphire offer extra points when you book travel through their portal. For example, Sapphire Preferred earns 5x points on travel booked through Chase. This can accelerate your earnings if you're planning a trip anyway. Step 6. Pay your bills with a credit card. When possible, some bills, like utilities, streaming services, and insurance, can be paid with a credit card at no extra cost. This is a great way to rack up points without changing your spending habits. Pro tip: avoid paying bills that charge high convenience fees unless the bonus outweighs the fee. Step 7. Refer friends and family. Many credit cards offer referral bonuses. For example, Chase often gives 10,000 to 15,000 points for each approved referral. If you have a great card, share your referral link with friends who are looking for one too. Step 8. Combine points with a partner. Some programs allow household points pooling. For example, Chase lets you transfer points to another family member's account, which can help you consolidate points faster for a big redemption. Advanced strategies for accelerating points earnings. Double dip with loyalty programs. Earn points from both your credit card and the airline/hotel loyalty program when booking travel. Leverage transfer bonuses. Sometimes, programs offer extra points when you transfer to specific partners. For example, Amex might offer a 25% bonus when transferring to a certain airline. Take advantage of promotions. Check your credit card portal for seasonal offers that give extra points for certain merchants or services. Use business cards if you qualify. Business credit cards often have higher sign-up bonuses and category multipliers. Real-life example of earning fast. Imagine this scenario. You apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred and get a 60,000-point bonus after spending $4,000 in 3 months. During those months, you also earn 3x points on $1,000 worth of dining and 2x points on $2,000 worth of travel. After 3 months, you've earned nearly 70,000 points, enough for a round-trip flight to Europe or several domestic flights. That's the power of combining sign-up bonuses with bonus categories. Common mistakes to avoid. Carrying a balance. Interest will wipe out the value of any rewards you earn. Overspending for points. Buying things you don't need to hit a bonus is a trap. Ignoring redemption value. Don't use points for gift cards or merchandise unless there's a promotion. These often give you the least value. Not checking transfer options. Always compare redemption methods before booking. Final thoughts. Earning points effectively hinges on understanding which expenses qualify for rewards. For instance, daily purchases like groceries or gas can significantly boost your accumulation when attached to a high-reward credit card. Moreover, frequent travelers can maximize benefits through travel-specific cards that offer extra points on airline bookings, hotel stays, and even dining while on the road. Imagine discussing your travel goals with a friend and sharing tips on which cards yield the best returns for specific expenses. Such conversations not only inspire, but also foster a community that thrives on shared knowledge in this rewarding journey. As you embark on this journey to maximize your travel points, remember to assess your spending habits critically. By tracking which categories yield the most rewards, you can fine-tune your strategy. Consider setting specific goals for your travel ambitions, whether it's a luxury vacation or simply a weekend getaway. Engaging with online forums or social media groups can further enhance your learning, helping you to stay informed about the latest offers and changes in reward programs. Ultimately, the more educated you become about the system, the more effectively you'll navigate it and reap those amazing benefits. Discipline is essential in this rewarding process, reminding you to maintain focus on your financial goals. Set reminders to review your credit card statements regularly, ensuring you're not only accumulating points but also staying within your budgetary limits. By practicing these strategies and maintaining discipline, you open the door to unforgettable experiences without compromising your financial health. Embrace the journey of travel rewards as an exciting way to explore the world while empowering yourself to enjoy luxury at a fraction of the cost. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset, and share this with anyone who wants to make the most of their travel rewards. And check out our other videos on credit, investing, and wealth building strategies to level up your financial game.